Okay, in this video we're going to talk about editing. There are a number of ways we can edit things in Studio One. We're going to look at this third track, so I'm going to solo it so we only hear this so it doesn't play the other things. So let's take this and let's see what we have. Button, play, and it starts recording, so you hear me talking. Woohoo! There we go, that's me talking. Right, so we see that. This is marked by the region here, and we have a number of controls. Let me first go to the tool. I have the multi-tool selected, which is the arrow and range tools. The range tool lets you select a portion of something. The arrow tool lets you click and drag and move things. Now we can also have this tool which will adjust the end, right? We're essentially just covering or uncovering parts of the underlying audio. If I hit number 3, that selects the split tool, which will let me split this into 2 pieces so I can separate them or make them overlap or put them back together. Each region, when it is selected, you see here in the middle, this box will let me adjust the clip gain so I can turn it up or down, and get back to, when I get back to 0, if I can make the mouse move that much, I'm back at the starting point. There we go. And I can also add fades to each end by grabbing this little corner. So now you'll hear it fade in and out. And it starts recording, so you hear me talking. Woohoo! Right, so those are some things we can do here. Fades, turn the clip up and down. If we select an area, when I have something selected, and it can be a smaller portion of a clip or a whole clip, all of the like word processing style copy, cut, paste commands work. So I have this selected. If I hit Command C now and then put the cursor over here and hit Command V, it copied that part and then pasted this part. If I come over here and select some other part and hit Command X, it cuts that part and then allows me to paste that part as well. Right, so you get the copy and paste, cut, paste, copy, fade, clip gain. You can also, if you have, well, let's say like in this case, copied this. There is more to this clip, right? Like I grabbed a certain part. So the rest of that clip is lying underneath there. So we can drag the edges here to expose those things. All of this is this sort of non-destructive editing that's really taking these reference files. We're really just adjusting the instructions on how we're having Studio One play these things back. So the next video is going to give you an assignment that will ask you to give you some specific like cut, paste, fade sort of things. But that's how they work. You select, fade here, fade, grab that to make fades, grab the box in the middle to make the clip gains, and then otherwise the word processor style commands work. Copy, paste, edit. Of course, you can also do those things from the edit menu. Cut, copy, paste at original position, delete. There's lots of things to get to in there. And in the next video, I'll describe the assignment that you'll do this week.